President Emerson Mnangagwa's son Collins Mnangagwa and the president recently appointed special advisor on waste management and environmental sustainability, Delish Nguwaya, are increasingly becoming associated with developments involving the city of Harare, following the new partnership between the municipality and the Nguwaya's command, Geopopona Waste Management. Sambira Mashukubranyi Wachinze, Collins Mnangagwa Delish Nguwaya deepen footprint in Harare municipality affairs. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. The latest arrangement will see the city of Harare and Geopopona Waste Management conducting weekly deep cleaning and disinfection campaigns across the central business district every Sunday. The initiative targets areas that have become illegal public toilets as part of the efforts to improve sanitation and public health. The cleanup program has covered several locations including Cleveland House and Cameroon Street Footbridge, Resende, Open Space, Sanitary Lane, and busy intersection along Robert Mugabe Way, Nelson Mandela Avenue, and Samora Machel Avenue. While many residents have welcomed the initiative, critics argue that periodic cleanup campaigns alone will not solve Harare's sanitation challenges. They contend that the city should prioritize constructing additional public toilets and improving basic urban infrastructure to address the root cause of public urination and poor sanitation. The partnership comes only days after Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet Dr. Martin Rushwaya announced Nguwaya's appointment as Presidential Special Advisor on Waste Management and Environmental Sustainability. According to Dr. Rushwaya, the appointment recognizes Nguwaya's work in environmental stewardship, recycling, the circular economy, and sustainable waste management through Geopopona Waste Management. Government says the company has expanded refuse collection services, installed skip bins across the Harare CBD, and strengthened recycling initiatives and created employment opportunities. However, Nguwaya's appointment has reignited debate over the government's continued association with politically connected businessmen whose business dealings have attracted sustained public scrutiny. Toma developments are pangwa ine. When I comment section, we do the function of the pamusoro chitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.